couple of weeks ago, I saw a bright pink bloom coming out of this area here, and I realized I had left a crinum lily here. So that patch with the flamingos up front, I had originally had here, but actually it was before I stupidly planted this Boston ivy, and this over 20 years just fills the entire space. So I don't recommend. It seems very invasive to me. Probably should just pluck it all out and put it in pots and sell it on eBay. Anyway, I'm looking for it, and I'm a little nervous about walking here in shorts with not really good hiking boots or anything on. But I did find where these are, and I thought there was just one, but there's not just one. Look here. There's a bunch here, and then a bunch more here next to that palmetto bush. So, Maui, get out of there. You already broke one of my lilies. Get out, Maui. Get out. This dog's a nuisance. Maui, you're going to get hurt. Get out of there. So anyway, my chore is to get a whole bunch of free plants. They're not doing the best here anyway because they're not getting any sun. So that one was signaling to me, hey, Stacy, there are a whole bunch of us back here and you need to rescue us. And so that's what I intend to do. All right, here's the first patch, and you can see the first bulb that I dug out, and this is just a little one. So I've got a lot more to go, a bunch over here and these, and I can start a pretty hefty new place for more crinum lilies. So I have this full wheelbarrow of crinum lilies that I took out from the front of the backwoods, and I have to find a place for them. Here you go. I found a place for them, so it's right across from where the other ones are, and I've been meaning to extend this bed and join these two together anyway. So this is going to mirror the pink lilies across the way. I have to fill this with pine bark. Fortunately, I have a bunch, so I can do that. So this is the final product for the evening. I put a bunch of pine bark on them, and my son says it looks like a bunch of dead leaves, but they're really not. They're probably just, a little bit of transplant shock, and also they're going to be in full sun versus kind of full shade. Well, it was enough for at least one of them to bloom, but not the others. And actually, I didn't find where the other one, the faded bloom from the other one, so hopefully I didn't leave any back there. But anyway, I'm going to eventually connect these two between the two loropetalums over there and extend this bed. Anyway, I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow and actually all of next week, so I think that will help them perk back up, and we'll just have to keep an eye on them. Just happy to have a whole bunch of free plants, and I know that these come out really, really gorgeous. You can check my other videos to see when the side opposite this was in full bloom. Happy gardening, and thanks for watching.